Discover coastal living at this breathtaking waterfront home. Imagine watching rocket launches from your own balcony and private dock, and sipping on coffee while watching a spectacular sunrise. This custom house, built in 2014, offers soaring ceilings, a gourmet kitchen, and spacious rooms flooded with natural light. With 100 feet of waterfront footage and a boathouse with a lift, this property is an oasis for the boating enthusiast. Don't forget the guest cottage, and you got it, a 5-car garage. Centrally located, you're just 10 minutes away from Cocoa Village's shopping, dining, and entertainment, 15 minutes from the beautiful beaches in Port Canaveral, and only 35 minutes from the Orlando International Airport. Call or message us today for more details on this riverside retreat.